What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Lane and Joby's outdoor video. Today we are at Tolo Lake, a lake by Grangeville, Idaho. Anyways, we got some people rafting out here and right there. So anyways, I got a fish just jumped over there. I got a button cast rod and it's out there right now. So yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up. I've been hearing fish jump over there. There might cast over there, so I don't want to get rush. It's more really big deck. Got a little bit of weed.
And I'm like, huh?
Okay, I got most of it all. I'm gonna cast a little over there. I think someone's got a catfish line.
No, that I can see a lure up top.
Oh.
It's in your pocket?
All the bugs.
Anyways, I'm gonna let this sit out here for a little bit, see if any action. There has been stuff going on over there. But anyways, stay tuned. Anyways, we're back, and I'm gonna cast. Nothing really happened. I'm gonna cast over there. Bottom. So,
It's a big gray heron. It was on that dock over there. There's so many bugs over there. Well, that's where we were. That's where we were. And then we're like, oh, that dock looks nicer. So we packed everything up and come over here.
there's a crane over there. My camera won't focus. I'll try to get closer. It's really cool. Oh. It walked back into the trees.
Only half the crew's here, but we're here.
But, yeah. It might come back. I don't really know.
Maybe that would be them away.
So, stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Now I'm going to switch sides. Cast over here. Alright, cast over here. See what happens.
Long coat that are probably this deep and this long full. There's probably 10 of them. Insane. That's like $75 an hour. We're looking at like $4,700.
Those people over there see it. They're on a different angle. They see the crane that was on the dock.
Yeah. It's fine. We haven't got out of the barn today.
Oh, really?
Nice. It was a little rough looking. Like it was covered in cobwebs and hay and
That was the first cast. That's
we got the hose out and she had an old broom and she's scraping it off.
That's right.
Yeah. Is this even gonna float? And I was like, it'll be fine. I'm like, okay. I got it at for what, 1 minute? And I'm like, yep, I've had enough. I'll just sit on the dock. Yeah. In the water?
I think I had a bite, but... Oh, there's that crane. That crane's flying across. Flying across to that other side. It's the perfect angle. It's cool. Too bad my camera won't focus. Not really nothing yet. Stay tuned. Well, really nothing. I just had weeds over there. Nothing today, but that's how fishing goes. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.